Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to taste a Chinese dish I have never had this before. Luoshifen. The direct translation is snail powder, but the translation on the package says spicy instant rice noodle. Luoshifen is from Guangxi, Liuzhou. I'm not from there, so I have never had this before. In China, each city has its special dishes. So there are a lot of Chinese dishes I have never had before, and this is one of them. Luoshifen is very popular in China. This is a challenge video. This is also a request video. I'm very excited to try it out. Is this made of river snails? Really? I searched on the internet the main ingredient. The rice and stock made from river snails, pickled bamboo shoots, peanuts, tofu skin, and chili pepper. I'm not sure if it really has snails in this package. The calorie of this package is 855. That's more than ramen. It smells really good. I already love it. It smells like spicy spice. It has a lot of small packages in one bag. This one is the rice noodle, especially for Luoshifen. That's a lot of. I have never seen any instant noodles have those many packages. I'm very hungry. It needs to add more water. So after 5 to 8 minutes, just pick out the noodles and then boil another bowl of water. This one is tofu skin. Let me smell it. Fried tofu. Put tofu skin. Is this one tofu? It's dry, I think so. And put this in rice noodle in. Keep cooking the rice noodles until the rice noodles can be pinched off by chopsticks. So right now it cannot pinch, so it needs more time to boil it. Then put the snail soup, the bamboo shoots and beans and black fungus into the pan. I feel like I have been boiling it for a long time and I still cannot pinch off the rice noodle by chopsticks. How long I need to boil it? It didn't say how long I need. That's a really long time. You can add any vegetables you want. That's a lot of food. Can't pinch off it. It must be very soft, I guess. It is ready. Is this one snail soup? I guess this one is snail soup. It actually smells really good. Pour it in. I really love the smell. It takes more time than I thought. Do you want to share with me? It's like a real meal.
Does it have octopus in it?
No, but you...
Does it have fish cake? Fish cake and round fish cake.
It's tofu skin.
Where's the tofu skin?
This is tofu skin.
So where's the fish cake? The fish cake is around?
There's no fish cake.
No, there's got to be fish cake. Let me read.
Here's a hot oil. It's over 800 calories.
What about these things?
Yes, the peanuts. I haven't put in yet.
Those are peanuts?
Yes, those are peanuts.
Where's the... Okay, it's got snail in it.
Snail soup. You smell it. It smells good.
Like snails?
It doesn't like snails. It's like spice.
Where's the snail?
I don't know.
It doesn't say snail in English. Does it say snail in Chinese?
Right here. Snail soup. It says snail soup.
It does. Then put the snail soup.
Yes, that's a snail soup.
Acid shoots, acid beans, and black fungus into the work pan.
This is the vinegar.
Okay, put that in, and then I'm going to read this for people because they really need to read this.
Why?
Can I read this for people?
Yes, you can read it.
Right here, it says, put the snail soup, acid shoots, acid beans, and black fungus into the work pan. On the one hand, that sounds scary, and on the other hand, it's pretty darn cool that you've got food that says snail soup, acid shoots, acid beans, and black fungus.
I don't think it's pickled.
That's what it says, acid beans and acid shoots and black fungus.
This is a pickled vegetable. It's not acid.
Where I come from, black fungus is something you don't want because it makes you sick.
It's a ready meal. I think we should share.
We can share.
Oh, I know what they mean because this is a direct translation, but it's not acid. It tastes sour. It's just sour bamboo shoot. Wow, wow.
Can we put these kind of peanuts in there? I want to put these kind of peanuts in there.
I think the peanuts already cooked. Peanuts. I think it's ready. Oh, it's very heavy.
Do you want me to lift it for you? Well, the manly lifting. See that forearm?
Yes, yes. Oh, oh.
It doesn't look as pretty on the picture. All the acid beans, snail soup, black fungus is on the bottom. You need to get the black fungus to the top.
Oh, yes, yes. I put everything into the bowl, so the stuff is on the bottom.
I don't want to eat it unless it looks exactly like that. And how come theirs is red and ours is not red? Does theirs have some sort of snail blood?
No, no, no.
Look at this. This is like those Pinterest fails. Before, after, after.
I think because
expected, actual.
I think because I need to cook the ingredients separate, and then after the ingredient cooked and put on the top of the noodles, so it'll look like the picture, because everything is in the bottom. So next time if I make something like this, I'll make the noodle first and make those vegetable next.
Did the broccoli come in the package?
No, I put the broccoli in. It says you can put any vegetable.
Oh, a yummy creation. It's inspired by.
Do you want to try?
Do I want to try?
Yes.
Well, I would, but where's my bowl?
We eat one bowl together.
Is this again because you don't like washing dishes?
No, I will get another bowl. Smell it.
You're not supposed to breathe black fungus, baby.
The black fungus is this. Black fungus tastes super good.
Black fungus acid snail soup.
You're supposed to eat it with the soup.
After you get your noodles, use one of these things to get the soup.
I have one. Hopefully you have one. Oh, we don't have many soup. I should put more water in it.
There's a pocket of peanuts on the edge. Grab some peanuts.
This is mine, the rest of yours. I'll give you a chopsticks. Let's try it. It's so hard to pick out the rice noodles. I think the one from the package, it might different than the real ones because they do have the restaurant to cook it and serve it. This one just the instant one. They do have the real ones. What do you think?
I think it actually tastes pretty good, but a pro tip, don't call it snail soup. Don't tell people that there's black fungus and acid stuff inside. Acid beans.
Acid beans is sour beans.
It's pretty good.
Yes, it's not very spicy. It's so hard to pick up the noodles. It's our dinner. Why it says acid? I think it's sour.
Yes, it's very sour. It is very sour.
I put 1 bag of vinegar.
I was going to say, it really tastes like vinegar. Does the vinegar cover up the snail taste?
I don't know.
Do they actually grind up snails to make the snail?
The fresh snails on the top of it. I think because it's instant noodles, so it's instant package.
Do they have the snails in like a fish tank that you can pick out? I want to eat that snail.
I don't know. It's not spicy. I mean, it is spicy, but not very spicy. I don't need to use paper and I don't need to drink milk, so it is not very spicy.
Thanks for dinner.
Do you have leftover? I will eat your leftover.
All the snail soup.
Eat your leftover. I like it. It's so hard to use the chopstick.
Which is why I use a fork.
It's different than the noodles. The noodles is easy to pick up, and this one is very slippery.
You know why it's slippery?
I don't know why.
Because it's made out of snails. Snails are slimy. You should name it slimy, acidic, black fungus snail soup.
Yes, this dish is very sour. My first time is from different city. Why are you looking at me?
Just because.
It is very sour, even sour for me. I'm crying now, it's getting spicy. Wow, the soup is very spicy. I think this can be the most sour rice noodle I shouldn't wear white blouse. I want to boil some broccoli and put it in the soup. I still have some soup. I don't want to waste it. I'll make more broccoli. If you're not used to eat sour food, I would suggest to put less vinegar in it because I put a lot of vinegar in it. And I think my mom will love it because it tastes spicy and sour. Thank you so much for watching the video and try it out if you're interested. Next video will be cooking video.